Hello everyone, my name is Fitz and I'm just going to give my solution for the boy who has been so rude to to his peers, and has also been rude to the teacher as well. And this boy, I don't know, like he has been so rude, and what is the solution? How can we help this boy? So the solution is because there may be a cultural miscommunication because some people like Latin Americans, they does not want to hurt anyone's feelings. So as a result, they avoid unpleasant feelings, or they avoid confrontation. So the boy can just be so rude so that he can avoid confrontation, or he can be rude so that he can avoid his other peers to mingle with him. So he tries to seclude himself from the group, or to stay away from everyone by being rude to even the teacher and to even his peers, so that they cannot contact him. So because what has to be done is the teacher, to help solve this problem, the teacher has to create a lesson whereby the students will work in groups, and the boy has to be put in a group so that he can try and work with others. And in that group, they're supposed to brainstorm ideas, they're supposed to share their opinions, and everyone has to participate. So by doing group work, this can help the boy to mingle with his friends, to mingle with his peers, and in so mingling, it also help the other students. Also, they can see him as he is, or they can see the good side of him. They won't see that rudeness that he's always doing, or the negative things or the negative traits that he had. Once they work in groups, this can help solve the issue that the boy can even be able to, like the teacher can say, okay, everyone is free to come and ask me questions and come ask me for ideas also. So by so doing, trying to have everyone mingle and interact and integrate in the lesson, this can help the whole class, and this can also help the whole group to see that actually this boy is not rude. Okay, thank you.